Alright, I wanted to show you the finished pieces of the little miniature duck and the little miniature shorebird that we did. Just wanted to show it to you. I just painted them, and they're little bitty things. The duck is a little over 2 inches high, and the little shorebird is about 1.5 inches high. See how I put I actually took an old coat hanger for the little stand for it, and gave it to you like that. So those are the two little projects that we've done for tiny projects, and we'll do some more little birds and stuff. And that's the little tiny projects for the little birds. Okay, God bless you now.